Hello again. So in this video, I am going to talk about a way how to save multiple drawings at once in Civil 3D and as well as AutoCAD. Suppose we have one, two, three drawings open. So if you want to close Civil 3D or your AutoCAD, what you usually do is you click here and you want to save the drawings. Let us say you want to save all the drawings. Then what you do is you have to, once you click here, you have to save all the drawings one by one. But if you want to save the drawing at once without clicking one by one, the easiest way is to click in this area on the drawing, right click, save all, click this save all, right? So you can save all the open drawings at once. In addition, you can close all the drawings at once with this option as well. So we have two options with here: save all the drawings and close all the drawings at once without exiting AutoCAD or Civil 3D.